from this video is we move to the Archi 2 tutorial based on user guide 5.6.0, chapter 5, the model tree. So that is the first detail chapters, similar like chapter 6 view in Archi. Is they have quite a lot information, and let's do this in more detail as well. So I will not just follow the sequences within this video. Is let's discuss about adding element directly to model tree, so 5.01, and also I will touch base on the 5.4. The first part is drag and drop. So these are just the different way to make some element the creating. So I mentioned these two altogether. So these add element is also is linking to the chapter 3.0 about the preference. So let's look at the content. So Archimate model consists of numbers of these concepts. So I still suggest is you if you got time is read Archimate language specification. That gave you the definition for concepts. But if you understand Archimate, is you will familiar is why they put the strategy, business applications, so on and so on. So different layer. Each Archimate concept belong to one of these layers, as the Archimate specification mentioned. So like is the when we last video is we create a business actor. So that is belong to business layer. So every layer has a certain named this notation, and Archimate also gave our color scheme. So you see here is the light yellow that represent the business layer, and if that is the light blue, that will be the application layers parts. So you can definitely change that the appearance to different color, but if there's no specific reason, I don't recommend you to change color, because try to think about from your stakeholder or another architect point of view. If both sides, one side is you model something, another side is the viewer or somebody is want to collaborate with you, is but you change some default color, that will mislead another side people or your stakeholders when they read your model. Because it's, I should say, Archimate is quite this precise language. Even the color already represent some standardized meaning. So don't try to make that confusing. So each concept in model can connect to one or more others connection, where one or more relationship. More means is between two elements. You can have multiple relations. So even those multiple relation can be the different type of the relation. So but that is, I would like to mention this one. From help to Archimate relation is you will see here is a huge matrix table. So that table is very important. But if you have learned Archimate and passed the certification, you may familiar with this. This one is the first, the column and row are just based on the different layers, all the notation. And when they have this cross is like capability, and here is the actor. So business actor, when they have this cross, ISO means is from capability to actor is only this association is allowed. And this left is the source, right is the column is the target. But if I come to the business actor, go to this capability, so I may have O or R. So R means realization. So from the different direction, they have a different allowed relationship. So those part is we will mention that in the later. And is if you want to learn detail, is you can go to the my another course is the this breaking down this Archimate language specification into the ontology view. I have modeled all these relationship meta models into one ontology, so that is you can learn from those through more visualized way. But back to our Archi tool, so Archi model consists of those configurations, of those concepts. So this will be a typical model. So you have numbers of those elements and numbers of views. So an Archimate model is representing Archi in the model window. So it's like this model window as a tree structure organized into different folder. Each Archimate concept is placed into the appropriate folder. This appropriate folder is the default folder and is not being say is to make that into the different folder. Like is I cannot move a business actor to another folder. But later on, we will see here, if I want just happen is I want to change business this element to our technology whole type. When I change that is go to this technology folder, but this notation is also changed. We will also mention that change type is later on. For this video is you know what are the model tree. We just quickly is look at how to add element, which is you already saw I have done a few times already. So first of all is this page is mentioned is adding a new the element is multiple way. Like is I want to add our business process. You can first choose this business part. There's no part is from here. This new means a new model. You cannot create our element from this folder. So from the menu, there's no the new element for the option. So if you want to create a new element, also those buttons doesn't have that way. You have to use this to add that here directly. Select one of these folder and use the mouse right click, like it's the right click, then you have this new. From this new you can find this that is the notation belong to this folder or this layer. Like it's I right click business, then only the business notation are appeared. If I right click application, new is only the application related notation in this application layer within Archimate language are appeared. So I can right click any part is even this the others. So I have two others location group. Then I can create one, like it's a business process. So that is now within my model, and here is the asterisk is coming. Save that is that will become your model's element. So the model, when this added is focus is given to that element, now you can see the different information for that. It's not possible to add a relation directly to the model tree. So which means I want to add a relation between this business process two element. What you can do is the only thing is you need to open a view and drag this two element. Then this I just use the magic is the make our relation connect to them. Then this relationship is coming to this relations folder. So that is the only way. So in some time is we call that is the Archi tool is our the view first or diagramming first, relation second. In some other EA tool is you can just connect to the relationship without making the diagram. So that is the different and specific way you need to understand. Before closing, let's just mention this drag and drop. Object are managed with drag and drop in folder. Note that you cannot move a concept from one main folder type to another. So if I drag our strategy, the business capability. Drag means is you cannot drag that to the model tree. You must drag that to our view. When I drag to a view, this element is created, placed in this view, and appear in the model tree. So that is the drag folder. But if you have our subfolder, like is I create a folder, so the subfolder, and always is when I drag our element here, it's never come to the subfolder. So it's only go to the main folder. So you have to manage that into the subfolder manually through this model tree to drag. So that is the way is you use the drag and drop. Is when you open our view, you can make our element add. If you don't open view, you can use the right click. So that is the two ways we make our the element add through this one. Next video is we will go to the 5.2 specialized element in the new menu. So see you there. Bye for now.